Sir, if you want to cite our own research paper, does that needs if you want to take some context or some content from our own research published research paper, does it give right to plagiarism? Yes, how to avoid it?
So in that particular case, you can cite the content, whatever included inside your another research paper. So you can just make the citations. You can write your own whatever the paper reference in the reference section, and you can just cite the content. Okay, so it will not getting inside the self plagiarism.
And they turn it in and other plagiarism detecting software. Actually, they are detecting the similarity index. But the similarity index and the plagiarism are both different, I think.
What is the concept of plagiarism? That is whatever the content we are copying from the other document as it is. So that particular content, it will just match to word, sentence to sentence, and it will just only highlight the contents based on whatever the databases they have used to search the contents. Okay, so over the internet they will search the contents, and it will just whenever any match is found related to the number of sentence, it will just highlight it. It will just add into the sources, and it will just give the color to that particular content only. Okay. So this is under the similarity plagiarism. And nowadays, many plagiarism softwares just use the AI detection. So what they are doing, they are just observing the patterns whichever generated through the AI platforms. Okay. So for example, suppose I'm just generating the content through the ChatGPT. So it is having specific pattern. So in that particular case, they are observing the pattern, and whenever they observe that particular pattern, it will just highlight that whole context under the AI plagiarism. So again, they are just giving the notification that this is the beta version. That is, whatever the AI plagiarism which are detected, it is not 100% correct. So whenever the AI plagiarism is less than 20, it doesn't show that particular plagiarism. Okay. So they are just trying to enhance that particular system. So nowadays, one more news is coming. That is, they are using the AI humanizer also under the plagiarism, so that whatever the contents which are generated through the AI humanizer, again that will be detected through the plagiarism software. So they are enhancing their features so that they are again getting the contents, new contents through that particular features.
Sir, I have another doubt.
Yes.
Suppose I am using someone's research work.
Okay.
And I am giving him or her full credit by citing his or her paper. But when I check in a Turnitin, it shows a similarity index also include on that particular content.
Yes, yes.
But I think it should not be come under plagiarism because I am giving proper credit and give proper citation.
So in that particular case, what you want to do, you have to just read their content, understand that content, and cite their give the credit by citing the contents and write it in your own word. So whatever you understand from their research, you can just put it in your own word by giving the citation. It is okay. But whenever you copy paste the content, even though this citation is given, the plagiarism software doesn't include that. Okay, so it is included under the plagiarism text itself.
So I have heard that if you give in a double quote or something, or 3 consecutive words should not be coming continuously. Please clarify whether it comes under plagiarism or not. Suppose we are giving. I have heard that.
What the specific users they are doing, they are just using the hidden words. They are just hiding the insert any particular word, and they are just putting the white. Suppose whatever the words which detects the plagiarism. So within that word, they are just inserting dot or underscore. Okay. So special characters are inserted and give the color white. So in the manuscript, it doesn't available. But nowadays, for example, suppose I have observed that inside the Turnitin, they have just have the another option to detect the flags which are used inside the your text. So whatever you are just using, whatever the practices you have done by just inserting the special symbols, so all that particular practices it will highlight and it will capture and just put it inside the report also.
I want to ask, suppose you are just referring someone's quote or suppose theorems or principles or laws, it cannot be rewritten. Suppose
So in
Newton's
that particular
laws.
case, you can just put the double quote and you can just refer that.
Okay, so the double quote means it's not come under similarity index, right, sir?
Yes, yes, yes. You can just make the citation and you just put the double quote so that your that particular text it doesn't detect and it will just avoid the plagiarism because it will just you are just putting the standard whatever the findings they are just using. So same thing we can just put it in the double quotes only. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Do I need to have subscription or drill bit or turn it in for final plagiarism check? Whenever you are just taking the admission in that particular case in the institute, they have their own logins. So at that time, you can just give the within the generally in library they have the particular facility for checking the plagiarism software. So you can just give them the PDF and you can able to check it because whatever the prices of that softwares that are in the lakh. Okay. So whenever we use the, for example, suppose instead of purchasing the AI plagiarism with Turnitin. So in that particular case, the subscription cost is goes around 10 to 11 lakhs. Okay, so in that particular case, we are not affording that particular. So again, whenever we purchase it, again we need to pay for document itself. Okay, so in the dollars. So it is not feasible for us. You can just use the particular university platform so that each and every university or institute having the plagiarism check software. So you can just use it wherever you are just doing the your research work or wherever you are just using the MTech. So they are having their own softwares. So you can just check it. Whether uploading online unpaid plagiarism check can threat the research paper to more plagiarism? No, such things are not observed because these are only tools. They doesn't record anything. That's why they are just going running. Okay. So offline tool is not at all available, sir. All the plagiarism tools are available online only because they are just connecting with their database through the internet. They are checking the whole internet contents and they are just giving the plagiarism. So there is no concept of offline plagiarism. There is only a plagiarism tools which are available online. Yes, anybody else? Okay, so we just conclude this particular session so that so thank you for all. So one more question. Final thesis can we check through online? No, in that particular case, you just give the checking inside the university or institute itself. Because whenever you check that, it doesn't detect that through the online. Okay, so free tools don't have that much capacity to check. Okay, so you have to just go for the paid tool and you have to check it. Okay, so here we just conclude our workshop. So you can, if you want to give any feedback, then you can just unmute your mic and give the feedback. No problem. The session is open for you.
Thank you so much, sir, for a nicely managed and a well thought, well planned session. In fact, we have learned lots of things. Although we are writing papers, but we are not following a systematic manner. Thank you, sir, for showing the right directions. Thank you so much, sir.
Yes, thank you. Thank you. Yes, anybody else?
Yes, certainly, sir has taken a lot of efforts for this workshop. He has put in a lot of research and experience that he himself has gone through for many years. So, being the head of the department of this computer science and engineering, I congratulate KT Mani sir for this excellent collection of contents, well organized workshop, and making it very simple so that it will be beneficial for everyone. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am, for your support and encouragement. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Always.
Yes, anybody else?
Thank you so much for such useful information shared to us. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. This is actually a very unique session that you have designed because, yes, definitely in our journey, we are very clueless that what is the next path? How do we write our proposal? I mean, there is no book readily available book for the pathway. So this was entirely structured to help us a lot. Thanks for being so selfless and guiding us. So that's all, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am, for your valuable feedback. So
Thank you,
why
sir.
I have designed this particular workshop? Because whenever I am just searching the content, so at that time also I have attended more than 50 workshops related to the research, but nobody tells how to do that or what are the contents which needed inside that. They only tell that these are the
Right, sir.
hypotheses, these are the contents,
Yes,
these are the
absolutely.
qualitative research and all that. So this
Yes,
normal student is not able to understand how, what to do, how to write within
right,
that,
sir.
and what are the contents.
Yes, sir. It becomes very
So
confusing.
yes, that's why I have organized this particular workshop.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yes, anybody else?
Hello.
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Sir. Actually, I want to thank you. Many research center I have seen, but the PhD coordinator job, the way you delivered and you dispersed the knowledge, that was commendable. And I could say the PhD coordinator should be like you said, the many researchers, they do not know the path, how to go and how to start, and they have a lot of fear in the mind about the research and many things. So you basically made it so pathway. You card for the researchers who were the attendees for this workshop. So being a PhD coordinator, I have seen a very good person, and I would congratulate you and your team.
Thanks, sir. Thank you for your kind words.
Yes, thank you, and thank you for supporting with the videos also. Actually, what happened in online sessions, most of the times, many administrative works are coming in between, and many times very vital information we are losing. And you supported us by giving the videos also. So it will be a the guiding light for all of us whenever we will need some, go back and track what you told
Yes,
us,
this is the
we can again go
intention
back.
to provide the videos.
Yeah, that was very nice thing you done. And it is,
Yes, sir. Yes.
priceless thing actually. The see,
Yes. Yes.
cost of registration is nothing, considering
No,
your views and
what I believe that because previously I'm just taking the workshops free of cost, but whenever I observe that the whenever the participants are paid, then only they are just giving the attendance, attention towards the content. So that's
right,
why
right,
I have just keep the some sort of cost for the registration, nothing else.
right, sir. So congratulations to all of your team and yourself. You took a lot of efforts. So many resource material you have shared, so much of research material you have shared. So it becomes now interesting part, like to go for research actually, which was a
Yes,
very,
it will.
a not interested part initially, but attending your workshop and attending your sessions, it was wonderful.
Research is the art. That is, whenever you are just starting the research, at whenever you are just starting with the uh, correct path, then you this is the interesting journey. So I have just given the only inputs how to start.
Right, sir.
Okay, so just on your cameras so that we can just take one session photos. It is kind request to on your cameras to all. Okay, on first your cameras so that we can just take the pic related to the session, your whatever the participants we have. So that it is a, I will just also share on the group also. So this particular pic. Okay, thank you all for attending and for showing the faith on us.
Thank you, sir.
So if
Thank you, sir.
anybody want to share your share the feedback also, you can just share it. So after this particular session, I will just post the quiz link, and after quiz link, you can just give the feedback after the quiz. Okay, so that whatever the details you just mentioned, that is your name, then department name and institute name, you just mention correctly so that it will just appear on the certificate itself. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.